Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. The viewers in front of me, Veikk A15, and I'm gonna show you how to restore all settings on this device. So the fastest way to reset all settings on your device is to remove the Veikk driver from your computer, from your Mac, or from your Windows device, and to install it again. So reinstall the driver, and that's it. If you wanna uninstall the driver, so just open the settings and find here in the settings, great point like apps. Here, just in the search, find Veikk. Oh, it's not Veikk, and here you will see Windows driver package Veikk. So click uninstall, then uninstall. In this way you will uninstall driver and install it again. But you can do it in the longer way. So open Veikk pen tablet, choose here A15, and here click restore default. Here click mapping, click restore default, click function, restore default, and for everyone application click restore default. Or of course you can remove setups for desired application. Of course you can do it too. And great, that's it. In this way you can restore all default settings for your Veikk device. Thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye, see you.